Hello all, welcome again to our YouTube channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video we are going to be transforming this 3.5 by 6 bed into a 5 by 6 modern design. So make sure to stay till the end of the video so that we can fully see and watch and learn one or two from this video. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. I really do appreciate your continued support. Anyway, I'm going to be starting the video. So welcome back again. So as I was saying, we are going to be transforming this 3.5 bed into a 5 by 6 modern design, and I'm going to be showing you clips after clips on how I'm going to be doing this transformation today. As you can see, it's a 3.5, and we are going to be adjusting it or doing modification until we reach 5 feet, and I'm going to be showing you all the steps and processes, materials and everything that I did use during the process. So now here I'm just taking measurements so that I can cut the pieces of wood that I'm going to be using to do the modification. So I normally use 2x1 pieces of wood to do this transformation. So as you can see, I just did cut the headboard and also the lower side into 2 halves so that I can extend it. As you can see, now I'm measuring the pieces of wood that I'm going to be using to extend the bed into a 5 by 6 bed. As you can see, that is 5 feet. So I'm just going to be taking the measurements and start cutting the pieces. Now keep watching the video till the end so that you can fully understand all the steps and materials and processes that I did follow during the transformation. And if this is the kind of content that you do like, consider subscribing to our channel, All Things With Us. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. And if this is your first time clicking on our videos, you can visit our channel. We have a variety of videos whereby we do bed transformation, makeovers, DIYs, and many more. So we have a variety of videos that you can enjoy, learn one or two from us. Anyway, enjoy the video. Don't forget to like it, comment, tell me what you think about the whole process, and don't forget also to share with your friends and family. And also, if you want to reach out to us, you can just comment, and I'll give you my contacts so that we can chat or talk more. And if you have any question about this bed transformation, you can also just comment and I'll get back to you. Anyway, I'm going to be leaving you at this. Watch the video till the end. Don't forget to like it and enjoy the video, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye for now.